Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious soup chow pork, a comforting dish that perfectly blends tender pork, crisp vegetables, and a flavorful broth. We will go through each step, from preparing your ingredients to simmering the final dish. This recipe is designed to be straightforward, ensuring you can create a wholesome and satisfying meal with ease. Get ready to enjoy a warm bowl of homemade goodness that is both nourishing and incredibly tasty. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need about 4 ounces of lean pork, such as pork chop or loin, sliced thinly, approximately 2 millimeters thick. Marinate this pork with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of water, massaging it for about 30 seconds. Also, prepare 1 pound of fresh baby bok choy, 2 thin slices of ginger, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. For the liquid base, have 14 ounces of chicken broth and 5 cups of water ready, along with 1 teaspoon of salt. Now, let's cook our components. First, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your marinated pork and stir-fry it for about 3 minutes, just until it begins to brown. Remove the pork and set it aside. Next, add another tablespoon of oil to the pot, then sauté the minced garlic and ginger for approximately 1 minute until fragrant. Pour in 5 cups of water and 14 ounces of chicken broth, bringing the liquid to a gentle boil. Finally, add the fresh bok choy and simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. For the final touches, return the previously cooked pork slices to the simmering soup. Let them heat through for just 1 to 2 minutes. Stir in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, if you choose, to deepen the flavor. Taste the soup and adjust any seasonings to your preference, perhaps adding a dash more soy sauce. Your delicious and comforting soup chow pork is now ready to be served immediately. Enjoy this wholesome and flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.